Moving water. What do we need? Let's get started. Fill 2 cups with water and add 2 drops of blue color in each. Fold the tissue and the paper to form a 1-inch strip each. Place each one in a cup. Wait for 2 minutes. Take the paper and tissue out of the cups. Did you notice that the tissue is wetter than the paper and more water moved to it than to the paper? Scientific explanation. The capillary action in tissues is more than in paper. That is why we use tissues for drying. This allows water to move to it.